Welcome to Import Evolution Tampa.
What's your name?
Jimmy,
And where are we from?
Wesley Chapel,
Oh, nice. And what kind of car do we have here?
1965 Lincoln Continental.
Oh, nice. And how long have you had it?
3 months.
All right. And who's your builder?
So the builder is the Auto Lab Florida over there in Hudson.
So overall, what do you think about this import show, Import Evolution?
I'm glad they opened it up to everybody this year. I've been before with my import and my business partner's import. It's a great show every year. I'm very fortunate to be a part of it, and hopefully I can be a part of it in years to come.
Where are we from?
Originally from Boston, Mass. Now I live in Tampa, Florida. Moved here, been moving back and forth since mid-90s.
Nice. And what kind of car do we have here?
Right now, this is my 1993 Honda Acti. I bought it about 5 years ago. It was supposed to be just to haul the bike, but as we all know, you go down that rabbit hole online, you find a part, and you know, something that was just supposed to be a toy hauler ended up becoming this.
And so what's your name?
Nathan,
Nathan. And where are we from?
Orlando.
Orlando. Came a long way. Welcome. And what kind of car do we have here?
This is a Toyota Sienna.
A Toyota Sienna.
Yeah.
How long have you had it?
About 5 years now.
Oh, 5 years. And who is your shop builder that helped customize it?
I actually teach auto body, so actually I did it.
Oh, you did. Oh,
Me
nice.
and a group of my high school students and a couple of friends over time. Yep.
All the work of friends and family all together.
Yep. And students.
And students.
And my students. Yeah.
And the students.
It's actually a Lamborghini purple. Yeah, Parsife Viola or something like that. But it's actually took the idea off of Iris because I want an Iris, but I have a van because I have 4 kids.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so the name of the club is Van Culture. Vancouver is also a part of us too. We kind of just run with a bunch of people. And I am Dad's Way. It's what's on my back right here. It's my van on the back of my shirt. So, but yeah, this is us, man. It's 4 of us only came out today. It's kind of hard to get a bunch of dads together that have kids. So you can imagine trying to organize this was still pretty cool. We got all this stuff.
Very nice. Thank you for your time.
I'm Ken.
Ken, and where are you from?
I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, but I live in Land O'Lakes.
Nice. And what kind of car do we drive here?
I'm driving a 1997 Toyota Century here. This Junction Produce body kit with 20-inch Leon Hardaway Ilios wheels, purchased from PMD VIP. Has a custom trunk kit and stock interior. I kept it as stock as possible because I didn't want to take away from the look of the car.
Yeah. And how long have you had it?
I had it 2.5 years.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, I didn't want this car at first. I had this car because of my wife.
Oh, yeah. Well,
My wife fell in love with the car first, and then it grew on me, and the more money I put into it, the more I liked it, and now it's kind of hard for me to get rid of it.
the love affair of the car.
Yeah.